Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Luke a Nerd, and today I'm going to be showing you the best way to make a shift to sprint script in Roblox. Now this script also works with filtering enabled, so it is great, okay? So let's go ahead and hop right into it. First, you're going to want to open ROBLOX Studio. Once you have ROBLOX Studio open, you're going to want to start with a base plate or a flat terrain, or whatever you have in your actual game. Alrighty, so we're just going to start with the server script service script. And I'm just going to call it sprint server. And I'll go ahead and make a starter character script called movement client. Next, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make a two replicated storage events. I like to put mine in a folder called event. Sorry about my typing. Storage. So in there, you're going to make a remote event and another remote event. One is going to be called shift up, and the other one is going to be called shift down. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start making your variables. So I'm going to start with local UIS equals game get service user input service. And if it's there, I just resetted my computer, so a lot of my like quick fill things are kind of weird. I don't know. And then we're gonna go local rep storage equals game dot replicated storage, or you can do game get service replicated storage. I like to do game dot replicated storage for this specific event. Local sprint down equals rep storage dot event storage dot sprint shift down, and then local sprint up equals rep storage dot event storage dot shift up. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and initialize the player. So local player equals game get service players dot local player. And now I think that we're ready to start. If I need to add any more variables later, I'll just go ahead and do that. I like to put my things in a function, like my key downs, key ups, user input services, all that stuff. And speaking of user input service, I just realized that we don't actually need this for the shift to sprint script. But let me actually show you how a normal shift to sprint script is, just to show you why this shift to sprint script is so good. I'm going to go ahead and make a quick shift to sprint script, and I will see you guys when we're back. Alright, so now the shift to sprint script is done. If you want to like copy it down, then you can, but it's not very good. And here, I'll show you why. So if we go ahead and play, you'll see, yeah, it works great. You can sprint. But the problem is, if you press escape while sprinting, and then you press escape, I'm not holding shift right now, and I'm still sprinting. And then you hold shift, and then when you let go, it'll go back. So that's like a problem there. It doesn't stop you sprinting when you press escape. So let's go ahead and show you how to do the better shift to sprint script. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this. I'm going to go ahead and delete user input service. And we can go ahead and start now. So we're also going to want to call the mouse. So local mouse equals player get mouse. I don't know why it's not showing up. Oh yeah, it's because I usually do game dot players. But you can do game dot players dot local player, or you can do game dot game colon get service players. I don't know. So player get, and now nothing is showing up. Okay, I'm gonna like redo this all entirely. So game dot players dot local player. And then player get, okay, I don't know why it's not showing up. Mouse, yeah, even when I press the button to make it show up, it doesn't. Whatever. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to mouse.key. In the function, you're going to want to type mouse.key down, connect, and then you're going to want to connect the function, and I like to call it key. Now all you want to do is you want to go to sprint down, fire server, and that's it for the local script. Now you just want to copy it over here and do key up and sprint up. And you also need to, when you fire the server, connect the key. That's literally all it is for the local script, okay? Now go to the server script and go ahead and delete the print. After deleting the print, you're going to want to make a local sprint down equals game.replicatedStorage.eventStorage.shift down and do the same for sprint up. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to sprint down and on server event connect function, and then you want to connect the player and the key, because the player is the one who is pressing the key, and the key is the thing that is getting passed through or whatever. And then now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to if key equals and then a string 0, which is left shift, then player.character.humanoid.walkspeed equals 32. I like to do 32 because that's like my shift to sprint walk speed usually. And then now what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to copy this, paste it down here, and sprint up, and change this to 16, and that should be it. I'm pretty sure that's all there is to it. So then when you go to play, let's just go ahead and test it out, make sure everything works. So boom, works. Now if I press shift and I hold shift and then I press escape and then I press escape again, I'm walking. I'm not sprinting, I'm walking. So that's why this shift to sprint script is great. I've been looking for a way to do this for a while now, and I finally figured it out. So you know, a pat on the back to myself, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, anyways, see y'all later.